Hey, this is me, TechnoStart, and today I'm here to announce my project, ProjectBlaze. ProjectBlaze is an Android-based operating system, and those who don't know about it can go to Telegram and do some digging on your own. So this project has not been possible without Aditya, aka after all AFK, Anupam Bhaiya, Pratyaksh Bhaiya, Tech Room, and Bashrat Bhai, and all the other team members who contributed in this project directly or indirectly. This project was initially kicked by @Inferno964, the founder of RavenOS, so special thanks to him. Rather than that, this project is now announced, and if you want to maintain your device officially, you can come into Telegram and contact us, aka I am @Mr. TechnoStart, and you can register for your device if you know about Git and GitHub. So bye, we will be releasing our project in April, and release will be officially for many devices, as many maintainers we can get. So for now, bye, and we'll be releasing in April.